In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best string lights in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which string lights is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, HBN Outdoor String Lights. Voice as well as app control, HBN Clever Patio String Light is compatible with Alexa, and also Google Residence help to release your hands by using easy voice commands. Or remotely turn it on, off via HBN Smart, Tuya Smart app on your phone from anywhere. Dimmable as well as extendable, stepless lowering from 1% to 100% illumination as well as a max link to 2 strings to match various occasions. The soft glow and also flexibility enable it to develop the best ambience for the outdoor patio, backyard, deck, restaurant, cafe, pergola, gazebo, wedding, and so on. Routines and timer function. Tailor routines to illuminate HBN exterior string lights automatically by means of HBN Smart app, e.g. activate at sunset, as well as shut off at sunup during Christmas period. ETL listed and also IP65 water resistant. HBN Smart Patio Area Light is ETL listed, which ensures the safety and also resilience. IP65 water resistant certifications that these string lights are appropriate for outdoor usage. Here is the item number 4, SUNTHIN 48-foot string lights. Perfect vintage string light for patio. SUNTHIN Edison bulb string lights outside make use of the standard incandescent light bulbs we matured with. Incandescent string lights produce a soft, relaxing glow to develop a completely comfy ambience, are the ones that have the acquainted cozy radiance that most individuals connect with home lights. Dimmable Edison light bulb string lights. This backyard string light is compatible with SUNTHIN dimmer perfectly to dim the illumination to create an optimal environment for bistro dating, enchanting weddings, cozy family members get-togethers, pleased birthday parties, different festival events, etc. Connectable sturdy string lighting. 2-pack commercial quality string lights with 30 E26 hanging sockets, 3 feet apart for each and every light bulb, 11 WS14 vintage Edison light bulbs, and 6 spare light bulbs. 5 hairs 48-fit string lights could be linked at maximum. Sockets are readily available to fit any type of E26 light bulb, which permits you to do it yourself the string light yourself freely. Weatherproof string lights for outside. IP65 waterproof string lights can hold up against snow, sun, dampness, wind, rainfall, and also severe temperature levels for outdoor use. These sturdy string lights have unique waterproof outlets that totally cover the bulb to enhance the sealing efficiency and item lifespan. Drain pipes hole on the tail plug to avoid water from entering. The item number 3, Addlon LED string light 48 feet. Perfect unbreakable LED bulbs. Each strand includes E26 based hanging sockets, given with unbreakable LED light bulbs. The range in between bulbs is approximately 3.11 feet. Suitable outdoor lighting with Italian bistro style. Weatherproof as well as durable, these market lights are made to endure the deterioration of year-round outside use. They are UL-provided weatherproof commercials. The insulation product can protect the hair from the warm winter season, sunlight, wind, rain, snow as well as damp. The heavy-duty light cord is rubbery, adaptable, and also thicker than a typical cable to ensure that you can confidently leave these ultra-durable string lights on screen year-round. Dimmer suitable to set the right mood, for the higher state of mind light flexibility, as well as a soft glow, a dimmer button to develop the excellent atmosphere for a birthday celebration event, family members reunion, or wedding party. It includes flare to restaurant deck, veranda, outdoor patio, yard, terrace, pergola, cafe, dining establishment, shopping malls for wedding, barbecue, celebration, banquets, also suitable for tree lighting like Christmas tree. Number 2 in our list, SUNTHIN 2-pack string lights. Perfect vintage string light for patio area. SUNTHIN Edison bulb string lights outside utilize the standard incandescent light bulbs we matured with. Incandescent string lights emit a soft, serene radiance to produce a completely comfortable ambience, are the ones that have the acquainted cozy glow that the majority of people connect with house lights. Dimmable Edison light bulb string lights. This backyard string light is compatible with SUNTHIN dimmer flawlessly to dim the brightness to develop an ideal ecological atmosphere for restaurant dating, romantic wedding celebrations, cozy family get-togethers, happy birthday events, various event parties, etc. Connectable sturdy string lighting, 2-pack business quality string lights with 30E26 hanging sockets, 3 feet apart for every light bulb, 11 Ward S14 vintage Edison light bulbs, and also 6 extra bulbs. 5 strands 48-fit string lights could be attached at maximum. Sockets are offered to fit any type of E26 bulb, which allows you to do the string light freely. Weatherproof string lights for outdoors. IP65 waterproof string lights can withstand snow, sunlight, dampness, wind, rain, and extreme temperature levels for outdoor use. These resilient string lights have special waterproof sockets that entirely cover the bulb to boost the securing efficiency and product life expectancy. Drain pipes hole on the tail plug to prevent water from entering. The top one in our list, SUNTHIN 96 feet LED string light. Perfect indoor and outdoor commercial string lighting. SUNTHIN LED string lights are perfect for various events use, are cozy and also intense enough, and will not be overpowering. With confidence hanging them as your patio lights, backyard lights, patio lights, event lights, garden lights, deck lights as well as commercial lights. Patio area light with LED bulbs compatible with dimmer. SUNTHIN outside patio area string light for works with SUNTHIN dimmer flawlessly to dimming the brightness to create a perfectly warm and also soft lights ambience for a charming wedding event, warm family members reunion, happy birthday party, numerous celebration as well as, etc. Connectable 96TF lengthy LED string lights. Exterior LED string lights with 32 hanging outlets, 3 feet apart for each and every light bulb, S14 LED light bulbs, as well as 1 spare, consisted of 13 hairs could be linked at maximum. High-efficient LED bulbs save over 90% energy over incandescent light bulbs. 30,000 hours long lifespan can minimize upkeep expenses on altering bulbs frequently. Waterproof and shatterproof outdoor hanging lights. IP65 waterproof as well as unbreakable backyard lights can hold up against snow, sun, dampness, wind, rain as well as extreme temperature levels for outside usage. Our LED string lights have unique weatherproof outlets that entirely cover the bulb to improve the securing efficiency and item life expectancy. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best string lights amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.